Hi viewers, we will discuss circle theorems standard questions for grade 10 and IGCSE level. So here we have question number 1. A, B, C are points on the circumference, as you can see that, of a circle with center O. Here we have a center. And remember that if any line which passed through the center, that line enters the end of the circle, that is called diameter, means AC is the diameter. So if a triangle inside a circle and that triangle, one line passed through the center of a circle, which is called diameter. So one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. This is circle property or theorem. So that angle is B. They want us to find out the angle X. So now rest work is very easy. So we can say that X plus 90 plus 55 is equal to 180. And the reason is sum of angles of a triangle is add up to 180. So here we have X plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. So equal 180. So X equal 180 minus 145, which is equal 7 minus 4, 3. So 35. That is the angle. So we move on next question. Hope so it is clear. Next question is, we have P, Q, and R are points on circumference of a circle with center O. And we are looking angle Y. Very easy. Again, we can apply one rule of circle properties. So angle subtended in the center of a circle is always the twice angle subtended on the circumference. Means y is the double of 50. So we can say that y is equal to 2 multiplied by 50, which is equal y equal 100. So here this one is 100. Or in other words, you can say that angle subtended on the circumference is always half the angle subtended in the center of a circle. So I hope so it is clear. Next question 2, we have AB is a tangent to the circle. As you can see that the line AB and the tangent line touch one point of a circle and it's a straight line. So remember that the angle between tangent line and a chord is always equal to the angle opposite to that chord. So basically this is the concept of alternate segment theorem. That theorem says what? If you have a line, as I'm going to show you, this is a line which is tangent line. The angle between the tangent line and the chord. This is the chord. So this angle is always equal to the angle opposite to that chord, means x exactly. So we can straight away say that our answer is x is equal to 43 degree. And the reason I mentioned here about the angle, alternate segment theorem you can apply. I hope so it is clear. Next. Question number 3. Here we can see that there are two tangents. One is AT and BT. So AB is a chord of the circle. AB is a chord of the circle, and TA and TB are tangents to the circle. Remember that if we have more than one tangent, so these tangents are equal in length, and if they are equal in length, then their base angles are same. Means if you check ABT is a triangle, then this angle is also X. base angles. Why? These two lengths are equal. So concept of isosceles triangle. So one property of isosceles triangle says the base angles are same because it has two equal sides, and we have three angles. One is 38 and the other two we can consider as x and x, and we know the sum of angles of triangle is add up to 180. So here we can say that 2x is equal to 180 minus 38, which is equal 10 minus 8 2, so 7 minus 3 4, 142, and x equal 142 over 2, which is equal 71 degree. So we can apply the reason of when we have two tangents intersect each other and they have equal in lengths, the base angles are same, and apply the concept of triangle. Angles of our triangle is add up to 180, and in this way you can find out the angle of x. I hope so it is clear. Next, here we have the diagram shows a circle center O, C, and D are points on a circumference COE. COE, okay, is a straight line. DE is a tangent line. DE. So remember that there one theorem of the circle property is the angle between tangent line and radius is always 90 degree, means this one is 90 degree. And as they mentioned, O is the center of a circle. So center to end is called radius, and O to like OC is equal to OD. So if they are equal in length, then their base angles are same. Means this one is also 25. So it means if we know these two angles, the total of these two would be means this all 90 plus 25. That gives us 115, and we are looking y. So if I consider the triangle CDE, we have two angles are given. So we can say that 25 plus 115 plus y is equal to 180. So 115 plus 25, 10, 3, 100, sorry, we can say that 115 plus 25, it gives us 140 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 140, that gives us 40 degree. So here we find out the angle 40 degree. So I apply the reasons are two reasons which I mentioned earlier. One reason is the angle between tangent line and radius is 90 degree. This is the one reason. The second reason, the base angles of isosceles triangle equal, and then you apply the sum of interior angle of triangle is add up to 180. Hope so it is clear. We move on next. Here we have the diagram shows a circle center O and work out the size of x. So remember that angle subtended on the circumference is always the half angle subtended in the center of a circle, means x must be the double of 75. So double of 75 is 150. Then the total angle of a circle is 360. So we can say that 360 minus 150, we will get 360 minus 150, it's equal to 210. So means this angle is 210. So now if you check B, C, A, and O, means O, A, C, B represent four corners. So the if we have quadrilateral, so sum of angle or sum of interior angle of quadrilateral shape is always equal 360. Means we can say that 18 plus 75 plus 210 plus y is equal to 360. So if we check 18 plus 75 plus 210, it gives me 303 plus y is equal to 360. So y is equal to 360 minus 303, and that gives us 57 degree. Okay, so we found the answer of this, which is 57 degree. Hope so it is clear. Next one, question number 5. Points A, B, C, D are on the circumference of circle. So CDE is a straight line. As you can see, that CDE is a straight line, and there is an exterior angle is given, which is 125, and it's represent a straight line. So that means interior angle we can find out by subtracting 125 from 180, because straight line angle is 180. So if I say 180 minus 125, that gives me 180 minus 125, it is equal 55. So this one is 55. And remember that we have cyclic quadrilateral concept as well, and they are asking work out the size of angle BCD. BCD means this one. So all the points which are like B, C, D, A touch the circle. Okay. So if the 4 points touch the circle, that means that quadrilateral shows cyclic quadrilateral. So in cyclic quadrilateral, let's suppose this one is X. So sum of opposite angle is equal to supplementary R180, means X plus 72 is equal to 180. The reason is you can apply a right cyclic quadrilateral. So x is equal to 180 minus 72, which is equal 180 minus 72 gives us 108. I hope so it is clear. So this answer is 108. We move on next. Here they are talking about again X, and here we have PAQ and PB are tangents to the circle. AC equal BC. So these two lengths AC and BC are equal. So it means base angles are same. We can bring the concept of isosceles triangle and alternate theorem as well, because PAQ represent tangent. So the angle between tangent and the chord is exactly opposite here, 52. So remember, these two lines are equal, so it means base angles are same. So this one also 52. So we use alternate segment theorem. We use this concept and isosceles triangle concept. So this full line represent a straight line. Okay, so straight line angle is 180. We can say that 180 minus 52 plus 52, that gives us 180. That gives us 76. So this angle is 76. It means this one is also 76. You know why? Because PB and AP both are tangents. So tangents are equal in length, so their base angles are same, 76. So now we can find easily X. X is equal to 76 plus 76 is equal to 180. So 76 plus 76 gives us 152 is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 152, which is equal 28. So our required angle is 28. I hope so it is clear. We'll continue next video after these questions. I hope so these questions will helpful for you guys.